Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. Now before we start the analysis, if you are new to this channel, then make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, press the bell notification. After watching this video, if you find some values, so subscribe and like. And below the video, you will find many links. The top 4 links are for those people who wants to make money in swing trading. Okay, so the first link says swing trading on automation, so you can click on this link, then come to this page here, and then this is the the software I have created, which you can install on your chart and start your daily swing trading. Okay, so maybe I'm the first human on the planet to automate daily swing trading, so I have transferred my human knowledge into this robot and everything is created by me. So if you want to automate the whole process of daily charts into trading, then check out the first link below which says swing trading on automation. Then second link is about join free Telegram. So make sure you connect with my free Telegram at least if you want to get some signals every now and then, or you want to stay updated. So join Telegram absolutely for free. Just below that, you have a link which says join premium signals. So in case you want to get some premium signals, you can check that out. And then check out the brokers in the prop firm right here. And make sure you join these brokers because I have been using them for last maybe 4 years and more. And they have, no issues in withdrawals, because when you are into trading, the biggest problem is if your broker will pay you the money on time or not, or if they will run away with your money. Okay, so these are those trusted brokers in the pro firms. So go and join them to start your trading journey. Subscribe, like all of that, and check out these links. As I said, top 4 links are for traders, and these below links are for affiliate marketing. If you want to make money with affiliate marketing on YouTube or other stuff. Okay, so you can check out everything. Top 4 belongs to the traders, right? And especially if you want to automate everything, then check out the first one and come to this page. Watch this video to see the results. Now subscribe, like blah blah blah. Now let's start the analysis. All right, a AUDUSD analysis today. So let's start the top-down approach with weekly time frame, and also you can use this analysis for nzdusd as well, as I don't record separate videos for nzdusd. Coming back to weekly time frame, today is Tuesday ending. Okay, so Tuesday is ending, and I only do daily charts. Okay, you should also get a habit of trading only daily charts. If you mess around with 4 hour, 1 hour, you will just not make money in the long run. Okay, so I don't have to go and lecture you, but all the pro traders only trade using daily chart. Okay, so there's nothing much to talk in this video. That's why I'm telling you extra tips. So coming back to weekly time frame, we are clearly up. Yesterday I told you this was a pullback. Okay, so this was your uptrend in AUDUSD. This was your pullback in weekly, and Tuesday being over, we are going to continue the uptrend probably. Okay, or we might take this high. Okay, so let's come back to daily. The trend is up. This was your I think yesterday I explained this. Okay, so yesterday I draw this line right here, and you can see we had this bounce from the support. This acted as your support here. So it's the same old story which I have told you yesterday already. Look for longs, and if you come back to 4 hour, I told you yesterday 4 hour we're gonna take down this high which we already have. Wow, I'm a super idiot, man. I tell everything for free, so a lot of people might have made money. Okay, so yesterday I think we were on this candle. Yeah, so we were on this candle or this candle yesterday, and I told you we're gonna take down this high, which we did today in 24 hours. So we made so much money. Okay, but still, I am not done yet. We still have to look for longs. I think we're gonna take down this high. Okay. So anyways, too much information for free. So subscribe, like, and check out the links below. Join the brokers using my link. And if you want to check swing trading on automation, then click on the first one. We have discussed this in the beginning. And obviously join free Telegram. Okay, so I'll see you in my next video. Till then, I hate myself to do this for free. It's not your fault. I'll see what I can do to stop myself.